Experimental study, introduction, steps, tools, software, and types. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a nursing student, researcher, or health education professional, today's video is going to be incredibly useful. We're diving into one of the most important research designs in evidence-based practice, the experimental study. We'll cover what it is, how to perform it step by step, the tools and software you can use, criteria for application, and the different types of experimental designs. Let's get started. What is an experimental study? An experimental study is a research design used to test cause and effect relationships. In simple terms, the researcher manipulates an independent variable and observes its effect on a dependent variable, while controlling all other factors. This design is considered the gold standard in clinical and educational research because it provides strong evidence for causality. How to perform an experimental study, step by step. 1. Identify the research problem. Start by defining a clear research question. For example, does a new teaching method improve medication administration accuracy among nursing students? 2. Formulate hypotheses. Create a null hypothesis, no effect, and an alternative hypothesis, there is an effect. 3. Select participants. Use random sampling or random assignment whenever possible. Clearly define inclusion and exclusion criteria. 4. Choose the study design. Decide whether your study will be true experimental, quasi-experimental, or pre-experimental. 5. Assign participants to groups. Typically, you'll have an experimental group and a control group. In clinical trials, you may also have a placebo group. 6. Apply the intervention. Deliver the intervention consistently. Same instructions, same environment, same timing. 7. Control extraneous variables. This is crucial. Control anything that could influence the results: environment, researcher bias, timing, and participant characteristics. 8. Collect data. Use validated tools such as checklists, questionnaires, performance tests, or physiological measurements. 9. Analyze the data. Use appropriate statistical tests like t-tests, ANOVA, or regression depending on your variables. 10. Interpret and report findings. Explain whether your hypothesis was supported and discuss implications for practice, education, or policy. Tools used in experimental studies. To conduct a high-quality experimental study, researchers rely on several tools, including randomization tools like random.org, measurement instruments such as checklists, scales, simulators, data collection tools like Google Forms, REDCap, Qualtrics, intervention tools such as training modules, educational videos, clinical devices, software that helps in experimental research. Technology makes experimental research easier and more accurate. Here are some essential software tools. SPSS, for statistical analysis. RStudio, advanced modeling. Stata, regression and complex analysis. JASP, free and user-friendly. G-Power, sample size calculation. REDCap, secure data collection. InVivo, MaxQDA, for mixed methods studies. Conclusion. Experimental studies are powerful tools for testing interventions and establishing cause and effect relationships. Whether you're working in nursing, public health, psychology, or education, understanding how to design and conduct an experimental study is essential for producing high-quality evidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your classmates or colleagues. See you in the next video.